Hello friends, in this tutorial I want to show you how to solve the error is an instance of undefined model in ADS. At the end of the tutorial, if you like my video, please click on the like button and also click on the subscribe and alarm button to receive my next video. Let's go. As you can see, we are here in ADS version 2021. Here I open the schematic here. As you can see, I'm using an IC named IFIC 10271 from the NXP company. I put the link in the description so that you can download it there. As you can see, I have included the netlist include to use the capacitor and resistor related to Murata library, as you can see here. Also, as you can see, I have entered S parameter simulation here. Also, I have included FSL tech include to solve the simulation for this IC. This box is included in the library related to this component. Okay, I want to do the S parameter simulation, but when I click on the simulation button, as you can see, an error occurred, and what is it? FSL IFIC 10275 is an instance of an undefined model. Okay, how to solve this problem? To solve this problem, the most important point is that if you change the version of the ADS you are using now, you can solve this problem. For example, this model works well for ADS version 2020 and lower versions. I uninstall this version of ADS 2021 and reinstall version 2019, for example, and see this error get appear or not. Okay, as you can see, I have installed ADS version 2019 after a couple of minutes. As you can see, it's the same project as before. I opened the same schematic here. As you can see, here's the same example as before, with the same component, with the same IC library, and with the same component from the Murata library. Now I've simulate this schematic here. After a couple of seconds, you can see that here's the results. It is as per the data sheet related to IFIC 10275, and so you can check it later. You saw that this problem resolved, and you can solve this problem by changing your ADS version to 2020 and lower ones. Okay, thank you guys. Please, if you like my video, please like that and give me a thumbs up, and please click on the subscribe and ring button to receive my next video. Thank you. Goodbye.